Hey everyone, it's Mr. Rutherford, and we're going to talk about careers in this high school and beyond session 5. So let's go ahead and get with it. The Career Expo, and we changed the name to an expo, not a career fair, is April 2nd during student led conferences. That came from the request of several businesses because they want to hire you. And so for them to hire you, they want to do some interviews on the spot. So bring your resume all crisp and clean and ready to go, and also dress to impress on our career fair day, which is April 2nd. And of course, you'll see more in the announcements about this, but I just put a couple pictures up about that. So set your calendar for that. Let's get started on our school links. So you're going to open up your school links and you're going to have your to-do page, which looks just like this. And so when you open up this page, the to-do is we got explore careers and favorite careers. Those are the two things that we are going to accomplish in this session. Now, before we move forward, I wanted to bring out, just kind of bring to your attention one other thing, which is what's happening. And in this case, we've got some apprenticeship programs that are taking apprenticeships or apprentices. And so they're advertising here, and you're going to start seeing more and more jobs getting advertised here. That's one of the things that we're working on. So I clicked on the Explore Careers, and it says go to the feature. And it says I need to explore one career, and that's my assignment. Each grade has different amounts. Some might have to explore a couple different ones. And so I go ahead and click on the feature. And when it clicks on that, it opens up this different page, which tells me what are some different careers that are out there, what are the hot jobs, what could be based on clusters, what do I want to work in. It also, we can look at what kind of training do I want to do, what type, do I want to live in Montana or Washington, where do I want to live? So on this one, I went ahead and clicked on clusters. And of course, I'm kind of interested in agriculture, being an ex-ag teacher. And so one of the things I want to just point out is this military careers. So if you move that toggle, it's going to give you a bunch of different military careers for you to look at. But I'm going to click on agriculture. And so this gives me a whole bunch of jobs that are in the agricultural field under that cluster. And one of the things I've always been interested in is veterinary. So let's say I want to be a vet tech. So I'm going to click on the vet tech. And when I do that, it gives me a kind of an overview of being a vet tech. And so it tells me what is the growth rate, tells me what kind of career, expectations it's got, what kind of a pay. It's also got a video of what I would do on the job. Now, over here on the side, you can see it says add to favorites. So when you add to favorites, that's going to be your assignment. And I think almost everybody, I think everybody has to add 3 different jobs or favorite 3 jobs. That's your second part of the assignment. So I'm going to click on favorite. And so if I look at, after I've done this, I can go back to my to-do list and I can see that I have favorited 1 and I need to do 3 to accomplish and make that happen. So I can go back to this page and then I can go to the feature and I can do different jobs in different areas, whatever it is that you want to do, but you do need to favorite 3 different job areas for you that you're interested in. So now for the seniors. So the seniors have one other thing that they need to do, which is this game of life. And this is kind of a fun computer simulation that says, okay, what types of things do I need to pay for? I'm going to graduate and I need to get a house. I need to have a car. What kind of a job do I need to have? All of those good things. And so you can play with this scenario. And so you just click on Game of Life. You can find it in 2 different spots. You can find it on your to-do list, or you can, and everybody can actually play this game if you want to. It's under Explore, and it says Game of Life, and you can click on that, and then you can redo this. You can say, you want to be a rocket scientist or whatever it is you want to do. You can change that and do it as many times as you want. But seniors, we ask that you do at least one so that you can get kind of a feel for the game of life. And now we are complete. So good job, everyone. And please make sure to finish up. If you didn't get through everything, I think some people haven't finished that survey on the goal setting that we had at the last session. So if you could do that also, that would be really helpful. This week's is pretty short, sweet, and to the point. Thank you.